Are you planning to take the Master Plumber Licensure examination? Then, this is for you. Welcome to Master Plumber Review and Refresher. Answer the following set of questions carefully. Without further ado, let's start. I just want to remind everyone. In this set, all questions need solutions. Prepare your papers, ball pen or pencil as well as your calculator allowed by the PRC. One question can only be answered within 1 minute and 30 seconds, or 90 seconds. The solution will be revealed at the end of each question. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Get ready, masters. In 3, 2, and 1. Let's start.
Question number 1. Three forces, 20 newtons, 30 newtons and 40 newtons are in equilibrium. Find the largest angle they make with each other. Letter A, 105.58 degrees. Letter B, 104.48 degrees. Letter C, 106.69 degrees. Letter D, 107.96 degrees. The answer is, letter B, 104.48 degrees. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 2. In how many minutes after 7 o'clock will the hands be directly opposite each other for the first time? Letter A, 5.22 minutes. Letter B, 5.33 minutes. Letter C, 5.46 minutes. Letter D, 5.54 minutes. The answer is, letter D, 5.54 minutes. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 3. The electric power which a transmission line can transmit is proportional to the product of its design voltage and current capacity, and inversely proportional to the transmission distance. A 115 kV line rated at 100 amperes can transmit 150 megawatts over 150 kilometers. How much power, in megawatts, can a 230 kV line rated at 150 amperes transmit over 100 kilometers? Letter A, 785. Letter B, 485. Letter C, 675. Letter D, 595. The answer is letter C, 675. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 4. The angle subtended by an arc is 24 degrees. If the radius of the circle is 45 centimeters, find the length of arc. Letter A, 16.85 centimeters. Letter B, 17.85 centimeters. Letter C, 18.85 centimeters. Letter D, 19.85 centimeters. The answer is letter C, 18.85 centimeters. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 5. The sides of a triangle are 8 centimeters, 10 centimeters, and 14 centimeters. Determine the radius of the inscribed circle. Letter A, 2.25 centimeters. Letter B, 2.35 centimeters. Letter C, 2.45 centimeters. Letter D, 2.55 centimeters. The answer is, letter C, 2.45 centimeters. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 6. What is the area of a regular hexagon inscribed in a circle of radius 1 meter? Letter A, 1.316 square meters. Letter B, 2.945 square meters. Letter C, 2.598 square meters. Letter D, 3.816 square meters. The answer is, letter C, 2.598 square meters. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 7. The angle of elevation of the top of tower A to the top of tower B is 28 degrees, and the angle of depression of the top of tower A to the base of tower B is 46 degrees. The two towers lie in the same horizontal plane. If the height of tower B is 120 meters, find the height of tower A. Letter A, 66.3 meters. Letter B, 79.3 meters. Letter C, 87.2 meters. Letter D, 90.7 meters. The answer is letter B, 79.3 meters. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 8. Simplify the following. The quantity raised to 6 of x raised to 2/3 times the quantity raised to 1/2 of x raised to -1/3 times y raised to -1/2 times the quantity raised to -2/3 of x raised to 2 times y raised to -2. Letter A, y raised to 5/2 over x. Letter B, y raised to 3/2 over x. Letter C, y raised to 5/2 over x raised to 2. Letter D, y raised to 3/2 over x raised to 2. The answer is letter A, y raised to 5/2 over x. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 9. A force of 700 newtons measured 165 degrees clockwise from the positive x-axis and a force P with an angle theta measured counterclockwise from the positive x-axis. If the magnitude of the resultant force is to be 549 newtons, directed along the positive y-axis, determine the magnitude of the force P. Letter A, 959.51 newtons. Letter B, 594.75 newtons. Letter C, 995.15 newtons. Letter D, 649.71 newtons. The answer is letter C, 995.15 newtons. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 10. Solve the following problem and state your answer in Roman numerals. M C C X X I plus M C X I V equals blank. Letter A, M C C X X X V I. Letter B, M C C C X X X V I. Letter C, M C C C L X X X V I. Letter D, M C C C X X X V I. The answer is letter D, mmccccxxxvii. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 11. In a pile of logs, each layer contains one more log than the layer above, and the top contains just one log. If there are 105 logs in the pile, how many layers are there? Letter A, 10, letter B, 12, letter C, 14, letter D, 16. The answer is letter C, 14. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 12. Solve the following. I raised to 5, plus, I raised to 21, plus, I raised to 100, minus, I raised to 125, minus, I raised to 88. Where I is an imaginary number, letter A, 1 plus 2i, letter B, 1 minus I, letter C, I, letter D, negative I. The answer is letter C, I. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 13. A pressure gauge at elevation 12 meters at the side of the tank containing a liquid reads 100 kilopascals. Another gauge at elevation 7 meters reads 140 kilopascals. Determine the unit weight of the liquid. Letter A, 40 kilonewtons per cubic meter. Letter B, 8 kilonewtons per cubic meter. Letter C, 28 kilonewtons per cubic meter. Letter D, 200 kilonewtons per cubic meter. The answer is letter B, 8 kilonewtons per cubic meter. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 14. A bag contains 3 yellow and 5 black balls. If balls are drawn in succession, find the probability that the balls drawn is 1 yellow and 1 black balls. Letter A, 15/26. Letter B, 15/22. Letter C, 15/24. Letter D, 15/28. The answer is letter D, 15/28. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 15. Water is being pumped from a lower reservoir to a higher reservoir. The rate of flow in the system is 0.65 cubic meters per second. The total head added by the pump is 19.47 meters. Compute the horsepower required to drive it, if the pump is 72% efficient. Letter A, 231.14 horsepower, letter B, 166.42 horsepower, letter C, 124.15 horsepower, letter D, 264.16 horsepower. The answer is letter A, 231.14 horsepower. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 16. One of the face of octahedron has side equal to 10 centimeters. Compute the volume of the octahedron, letter A, 471.40 cubic centimeters, letter B, 346.41 cubic centimeters, Letter C, 173.21 cubic centimeters. Letter D, 117.85 cubic centimeters. The answer is, letter A, 471.40 cubic centimeters. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 17. Find the value of y if a line having slope of 4/3 and passing through a point, 6, 4, intersects the y-axis. Letter A, 4. Letter B, -4. Letter C, 6. Letter D, -6. The answer is, letter B, -4. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 18. A cubical box has 3 centimeters on one edge. If this cubical box is tightly packed with 8 marbles and is filled with water in the box, what is the volume of water in the box? Assume all 8 marbles are in contact with the walls of the box and adjacent marbles, which are of the same sizes. Letter A, 12.86 cubic centimeters. Letter B, 4.50 cubic centimeters. Letter C, 14.14 cubic centimeters. Letter D, 7.80 cubic centimeters. The answer is letter A, 12.86 cubic centimeters. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 19. The diameters of two spheres are in the ratio of 2:3, and the sum of their volume is 1,260 cubic meters. Find the volume of the larger sphere. Letter A, 972 cubic centimeters. Letter B, 288 cubic centimeters. Letter C, 828 cubic centimeters. Letter D, 1,027 cubic centimeters. The answer is letter A, 972 cubic centimeters. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 20. A loan of 5,000 pesos is made for a period of 15 months at a simple interest rate of 15%. What future amount is due at the end of the loan period? Letter A, 5,637.50 pesos. Letter B, 5,900.90 pesos. Letter C, 5,937.50 pesos. Letter D, 5,842.54 pesos. The answer is letter C, 5,937.50 pesos. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 21. The nearest distance of the focus of an ellipse to the vertex is 2 centimeters, and its farthest distance to the vertex is 8 centimeters. Compute the area of the ellipse. Letter A, 62.83 square centimeters. Letter B, 47.12 square centimeters. Letter C, 188.50 square centimeters. Letter D, 37.70 square centimeters. The answer is, letter A, 62.83 square centimeters. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 22, solve for y if y equals 4 times the natural logarithm of the quantity e raised to 2x all over e raised to 2x minus 1, letter A, 2, letter B, 4, letter C, 8, letter D, 5. The answer is, letter B, 4. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 23, determine the value of k so that the sum and product of the roots are equal from the given equation. 7x raised to 2 plus quantity 2k minus 1 times x minus 3k plus 2 equals 0. Letter A, 1, letter B, 2, letter C, 3, letter D, 4. The answer is letter A, 1. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 24. The time required for 2 examinees to solve the same problem differs by 2 minutes. Together they can solve 32 problems in 1 hour. How long will it take for the slower problem solver to solve the problem? Letter A, 2 minutes. Letter B, 3 minutes. Letter C, 4 minutes. Letter D, 5 minutes. The answer is letter D, 5 minutes. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 25. The arithmetic mean of 80 numbers is 55. If the two numbers, 274 and 850, are removed, what is the arithmetic mean of the remaining numbers? Letter A, 28, letter B, 42, letter C, 32, letter D, 50. The answer is letter B, 42. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated.
And that's all for this set. Now, put your score in the comment section. If you find this video interesting and informative, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Thank you and good luck future master plumbers.